In this Canva tutorial, let's take a look at how to share links. So you can pretty easily share your design, whether it's a presentation or just a project, and give someone a link that they can access it. We do that by going up to this little up arrow in the upper right, and it's basically the share arrow. And now we can share a link, and we can edit a few things about that link. We can add people with access, so you can send access to just certain people by typing in their emails here. You can adjust the collaboration link from only you can access to anyone can access using the link without even signing in. And so you can give people access, or you can just say anyone that has this link can share and go watch this, or look at this presentation or whatnot. So we can change that right there. Now, one thing you need to look out for is the second part of anyone can share is that what can they do, or anyone can view it. What can they do? Can they view it? Can they edit it? Can they even make comments? You don't want can edit to be on there unless you're trying to share it with people to edit. So you want it probably to just be can view if you're sharing it with anyone that has the link. And then you can just copy the link or copy the link to that specific page. And once you copy the link, that's going to be in your clipboard. It's also going to pull open this share option. So you could just message it to someone really quick, send it through mail, AirDrop, or even just copy it. Any of the general share options here on iPhone or even Android. And so once we have it copied, that link is copied, we can just go paste it somewhere or send it to someone really quick. And so that's how you can create a link and share your project or presentation with anyone else here on Canva Mobile.